Another example on page 181. Finding the number of moles in 54 grams of water, H2O. So the mass of water is 54 grams. We have to find the number of moles. So we go back to the triangle. Number of moles equals to the mass in grams divided by the mass of 1 mole in grams. The mass is 54 grams. It's given. We want to find the mass of 1 mole, which is equals to the relative formula mass as we've mentioned before. Let's write the given first. Mass equals to 54 grams. The relative atomic masses are 1 for hydrogen and 16 for oxygen. So first of all, we need to find the relative formula mass. As we know, it's equals to the relative atomic mass multiplied by the number of moles of each element. We have 2 atoms of hydrogen, so 2 times 1, 2 times 1, we close the brackets, plus we have 1 atom of oxygen, so 16, equals to 18 grams. This is the mass of 1 mole. So now we have the mass and the mass of 1 mole. We can easily get the number of moles. So number of moles equals to the mass in grams divided by the mass of 1 mole in grams. The mass is 54 grams divided by 18 grams, which is the mass of 1 mole. The answer is 3 moles. So this is the number of moles. So 54 grams of water is 3 moles. So this is how we obtain the number of moles. We first find the relative formula mass, and then we find the number of moles.